Okay, so today I wanted to show you guys the new iPhoenix model, the R350. As you can see, it's a small speaker. It's very nice. You can tell right away it has a nice weight to it. It is rechargeable. It's Bluetooth, and it does have the input for the USB and SD TF card, and also the charging input is Type C. So the battery is really good. That already tells you. It's, I think this one's 8 hours. Yeah, 8 hours long-lasting battery. So it's pretty good. It does have LED, but it's optional. Let's go ahead and turn it on.
Bluetooth mode. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay, so as soon as you turn it on, it's ready to connect to your phone. So you would just go to your phone and then go to your settings. Let me do that right now. So if you can see, you go to your settings, your Bluetooth settings, and then it will come up as R350. So you're just gonna go ahead and click on it.
Bluetooth device paired.
Okay, so it's already paired, and I'm gonna go ahead and go to my music. Okay, so you're just gonna press the plus button to raise the volume. You can see it raised on my phone. And you're gonna long press the minus to lower the volume. And then to skip the song, you just press once. And same thing to go back. You press once to go back to the beginning, or press again to go back to the last song. So it's pretty simple in that regard. Or you can control it from your phone as well. Press the plus sign on your phone, and it'll raise it on the speaker as well. So it's very easy to control once you connect it to your Bluetooth. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and click. The first button is the power button, right? And you long press until it turns on, and to turn off, you long press to turn off. I'll show you in a bit. But it's also the LED control. So when you press once, you see the mode on the LED changes. So you can have it flashing, you can have it on one color, you can have it in transition mode, or you can turn it off if you don't want it on. You can just keep pressing until you like the mode. You press until you find a mode that you like, and then I can go ahead and press it again. If there is nothing going on and there's nothing connected to your speaker, or if you're not using it, it will automatically turn off. Okay, it does say it here on the features guide. This speaker will shut off if no operation for 5 minutes. Okay, so if it's just sitting there, it will automatically turn off to preserve the battery. So then we're gonna go ahead and long press the on button.
Power off.
And it will turn off. And to turn on, we just long press.
Bluetooth mode. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay, so it's automatically on Bluetooth mode. And if we want to go to the next mode, we'll press on the next button.
Bluetooth device paired.
And if you see, it will automatically pair to your previous device, okay? Just to let you know, you don't have to keep connecting it if you already connected it once. So it will recognize your device. But let's move on to the next button. The next button is a play button, and it has like this little symbol. Let me show you the box so you can see it more clearly. It looks like this. It's right here. You can kind of see it, I think, from my camera. So you're gonna go ahead and long press that. Long press, okay?
Radio.
Our generous members of listener-supported Classical California, KUSC.
Okay. So as you can hear, it went straight to the radio, but it's not scanned. Okay, so you do have to scan it in order to get the stations, because if I press here,
4 to 5, or if you're loading inside,
see, it only has 2 stations. So in order to scan it, I'm gonna go ahead and press that same button once. So I'm gonna go ahead and press it, and it should begin
annihilation.
See, there you go. So I just pressed it once, and then it begins to scan all the my local radio stations. And then after it's done scanning, I can go ahead and press the play or the minus to navigate the radio station.
No relief when it comes
So I'm
to
just gonna wait until it's done scanning right now.
get rid of your irritating.
So while it's scanning, I'll explain it once again. I just went ahead and long pressed the play button to get to the radio mode, and then I pressed it once to begin scanning my radio stations, because remember, all local stations are different. So you do need to scan your area in order to get the clear stations right on your speaker, and then after that you just navigate through the plus and the minus.
2020 comes around, the pandemic comes around.
I think it's done.
Everybody,
Scanning.
the countries.
So I'm gonna go ahead and press the play.
At the card and walk up to them in their face.
And to go back.
Charmin Ultra Strong cleans back from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m.
Of course, staggering one in. Or GA. His struggle with
So as you can see, it's very simple, very easy to navigate the radio stations. Okay.
Straight lines seem wavy.
Now for the next symbol, what is the next symbol? Which is the
loved ones' faces.
let me lower the volume here. Okay, so the next symbol on here, I don't know if you see it, it's like a infinity sign. That is for TWS. So what is TWS? It means you can pair two devices at the same time. To do that, you're gonna need to be on Bluetooth mode. Let me go back to my Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay, and for the Bluetooth mode, you just long press to go back, okay, to the other modes. And then we're gonna grab another one here.
The Bluetooth device paired.
Okay, so you heard that it paired to my device already, which is fine. We could leave it paired. So I'm gonna grab another one and I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on.
Bluetooth mode. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
And I'm gonna go ahead.
The Bluetooth device paired.
And now you heard that they paired. Okay, so I had paired them before, that's why they did that. But if you have not paired two of them before, all you have to do is double click the play button. You see the play button right here where the symbol is? You're just gonna go ahead and leave it both on Bluetooth mode first. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna turn one on, you're gonna turn on the second one, and you're gonna go ahead and press.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
And then you're gonna go ahead and click it on the other one. Double click. Okay. And once you hear that sound, that means that they're both.
The Bluetooth device paired.
See, it let you know that they paired. So once they both pair, then we're gonna go ahead and connect to only one of them via Bluetooth. So once, let me see, let me go to my settings right now. Oh, Bluetooth. Okay, so I had already paired to one. So as long as you're paired to one, that one's gonna transmit the signal to the other one. Now let me go to my music really fast. I don't know if you can hear it. And then I can hear it on both. If you raise the volume on one, it will raise it on the other one. So now both of them are playing the same song from my one device. And it's really cool because you can keep one on one side and then take that to the other side of the room, and then you'll have surround system. So that's pretty cool. And now let me change the LED light. So if I press on one, it'll change the mode on the next one as well. See, I turned them off and they both turned off. So what you do to one, the other one, reads it as well. So it's pretty neat, pretty cool. Them playing at the same time. Okay, so the next function, you raise this rubber door here, and you can see this is to protect it from the water. Okay, so if you get it wet, it won't go in here. So this is your USB and SD card input, and for this you can use a USB flash drive with MP3 file formatted music. It must be MP3. If it's MP4 or any other format, it will not read it. But once you plug it in, it should be able to read it right away, whichever one, the SD card or the USB. And here is your charging port. So this is Type C. So that already tells you that it has a really good battery. Let me show you. So when you get it in the box, it should come with its cable. It should look like this. It should come inside included, and this will go inside the Type C. There you go, the Type C port right there. And then this should go into your USB plug for, I don't know if you have a wall plug or if you have one in the car or your computer. So I love that it's USB because I can plug it in anywhere. Most places already have, like for example, your car, most cars come with a USB input, or if you want to charge it at home, you can do it with your wall plug from your phone as well if you have the USB port. So that's pretty cool. And like I said, this is included, but if you do have a Type C, let me lower the volume. If you have a Type C charger, then it should be compatible with it as well. So you can plug it in with the Type C charger in case you lose this, okay? So that's pretty much it. Maybe let me show you an example of the USB with music so that way you could see. Connect with
Bluetooth mode. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
If you're trying to connect with this music through here, it will not share it, okay? Just so you know. And like I said, this does have to be MP3 format for it to play. Unfortunately, I don't have music in
The
here.
Bluetooth device paired.
Right now, I just paired to my phone again because I plugged this. But if you plug it in, it should start reading it right away. Look.
Music.
And it would start playing the music. But currently, I do not have any music in here, so that's why it's not playing. But like I said, it does have to be MP3 formatted, okay? If you do want to put music in here or audio, so you can hear it through here. And then once you unplug it, it'll stop playing.
Bluetooth mode.
And
The
it goes back
Bluetooth
to the
device
Bluetooth
is ready
mode.
to pair.
So that's pretty neat. Like I said, it's very simple, very easy to use. But if you do have any questions, please leave us a comment.
The Bluetooth device paired.